Hello friends, today's topic, how to reduce the tax burden for long-term gains. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In India, for many years, there was no tax on long-term capital gains from stock markets. In 2018, the government imposed 10% tax on long-term capital gains, that is LTCG, with the exemption of rupees 1 lakh gain per financial year. In the July 2024 budget, the government increased the LTCG to 12.5%, the exemption of 1.25 lakhs per annum. It is very likely that over the coming years, LTCG tax may increase further, may even touch around 30%, which is the highest tax rate as per the tax law. We have to be mentally prepared for it and also take steps to minimize the impact of it on the future corpus. In long-term transactions, you will get more benefit from the power of compounding since you will be buying and holding for long periods and not selling frequently. When you keep selling frequently, you will need to pay higher taxes and it would reduce the compounding effect. Also, the tax on profits made in short term is higher than long term. If you are a good investor, you must be able to earn 15 to 20% per annum for the long term. To be conservative, we must assume that the LTCG tax will be somewhere between 20 to 30% in the long term. How to minimize the impact of tax increase on our long-term portfolio? Number one, increase your SEP or SIP every year as your income increases. Step up SIP, SEP. Two, plan for investing more so that the increased amount will cover the increase in taxes, saving 5 to 10% more of income to compensate for higher taxes. Let us assume that there is 30% tax on LTCG after some years. The investor sells the entire holding, is sold at the age of 60, then the following could be the situation. Impact of 30% LTCG tax on corpus. Investment per month plus 5% step up, 10,000, returns 12%, duration 25 years, corpus 2.48 crores, corpus after 30% tax 1.91 crores. 10,000 plus 5% step up, returns 15%, duration 25 years, corpus 3.82 crores, corpus after 30% tax 2.84 crores. 10,000 plus 5% step up plus returns 18% per annum, duration years 25, corpus 5.99 crores, corpus after 30% tax 4.35 crores. If you realize that the corpus amount becomes insufficient after 30% taxes, then you invest more from now on. For example, if you are investing 10,000 per month in SIP, SEP, then you can plan to invest 12,000 to 14,000 per month if possible so that the corpus can be bigger amount. The good news is that we have a corpus of around rupees 3.5 crore after 25 years. We will not withdraw the entire amount in one shot. It will be withdrawn in installments as per our requirements. Hence, some part of the capital gains may be exempted if the government continues to have some exemption for LTCG every year. Whether government increases the taxes or not is not in our control. However, we can only control our savings, the number of years we can wait patiently and how well we manage our investment. It will not be a very good situation to see LTCG from stocks to be taxed at 30%. It would have a negative impact on today's and our future earnings. Impact of monthly budget. Monthly income after tax 50,000, basic household expenses 20 to 25,000, current savings 25,000 to 30,000. Investment in SIP, SEP could be 15,000, spending on luxury, non-essentials 10,000, buffer amount for emergencies 5,000. However, if he plans to invest 20,000 as SIP, SEP to minimize the negative impact of tax, then money for non-essential items will reduce. So, take appropriate action from today itself so that you are not surprised many years later that a corpus is not sufficient to have good lifestyle at the age of 55 or 60. If you caught unprepared, then it will be our fault. We need to look after our finances rather than blame government for high taxes. At the end of the video, here is the question. What is your plan to prepare yourself for higher LTCG in the future? Example, SIP, SCP increase from 10,000 to 12,000, etc. Type in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.